Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Super Mario Bros. On piano easily and slowly. First, let's find the main melody. Locate middle C on your piano. It's usually near the center. We'll begin with your right hand playing the first 8 notes of the theme. Focus on pressing each key gently and clearly. Practice these initial notes at a very slow pace, ensuring accuracy before moving on. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence. Now let's add the left hand to create a fuller sound. We'll use basic chords like C major and G major. For the C major chord, play C, E, and G simultaneously with your left hand. For G major, play G, B, and D. Practice these chords separately first. Then slowly combine them with your right hand melody, playing short 2 to 4 note phrases. This helps synchronize your hands effectively. Next, we'll focus on rhythm and maintaining a steady tempo. The Super Mario Bros. Theme has a distinct upbeat rhythm. To help keep time, use a metronome. Start with a very slow setting, perhaps around 60 beats per minute, and play along. This ensures you develop a consistent pace. As you feel more comfortable and accurate, you can slowly increase the metronome speed by 5 to 10 beats at a time. Patience is key here. Finally, here are some essential practice tips. Break the Super Mario Bros. Theme into smaller 2 to 4 measure sections. Master each section before connecting them. Always prioritize accuracy over speed. Playing correctly at a slow pace builds better habits. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes daily to practice. Soon, you'll be able to play the entire recognizable Super Mario Bros. Theme smoothly and confidently on your piano. Enjoy your musical journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.